Hi, back with you, Love and Logic fans, and here is the bracket. I've drilled it out like I promised, also repaired a number of pieces that were broken on the edges, and here's our motor. So the plan is to put that on there and then weld inside of those circles to attach that plate onto the motor. Now, Love and Logic is always teaching, problem solving. Some people decide to do this, some people decide to do that, and importantly, how will that work out? So, what are the consequences of that? So, want to have good safety gear here, but also we don't want to ruin this motor. I mean, I don't want to personally. And so, if we get a lot of heat transfer into the electronic components here, what's your guess on that? It might not end well. So we have a very important tool here, soggy, wet, cold paper towels from our office. One there. We're going to put one here. Going to soak up some of the heat, ideally. That's the plan, at least. And we're also going to take some time in between welds, so we're just not totally cooking this thing. And have my trusty welding helmet, step back jed, protect your own eyes, and we're gonna do a little welding here. This is called the ground. Has to make a complete circuit here, so to get some sparks flying, I'm gonna hook that on there, make sure it's right where I want it to be. Got my glasses on, gonna have these under my helmet. I've had glass and steel in my eyes before, and it's not fun. It's too bad that I had to learn that the hard way. But here we go. Welder's set up here, and we're going to do some tack welds first, see how it works out, and go. Okay, Jed, say come on over here and let's see how this worked out. So this is a really heavy motor. These are just initial welds to get us started. Whenever I'm welding something, I don't want too much heat. I don't want it to burn through. I don't want it to ruin all these components. I'm guessing this motor right here is about at least $1,000 to replace. So let's take these off and see how strong those welds are. Hey, they're getting there. All right. So we'll catch you back here after I complete these welds, and we'll see how it looks.